brake back to second gear. There it is. Both ends of the wheel now. Go deep. Go deep, deep, deep. Now turn back at the apex. And get on the throttle. Yep. Third gear. Then keep going, fourth gear. And keep throttle on. Keep the foot to the floor. Keep it tight. Right, hand on the gear stick. Waiting for it. Wait, keep going. Brakes back to third. Back to second. A bit more brake. Right, go deep. Don't turn in too early. See what happens, it pushes you.
Yeah.
You need both hands on the wheel too. There we go. No, leave it in second now. No, leave it in second. That's the black. Turn it in. That's it. Push wide, go. No, leave it in second. Remember this whole section's second gear.
Yeah.
It'll stuff you up if you keep doing that. Both hands. I know it's hard, you gotta do both hands. Alright, let's do it. Come on. Get it turning in. Out wide, third gear. That's it, both hands on the wheel. Yeah, that's it, keep going. Out wide, off the throttle, get it turning. Now put your foot down. Tighter, get it tighter. Hand on the gear stick. Brakes, second gear. More brakes, 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 brakes. Alright, you need to use those braking markers, brother.
Okay, sorry.
You're alright. Keep accelerating. Foot to the floor. Brakes back to third. Back to second. That's it. Both hands on the wheel. Go out deep. Now turn back in. Turn. Wait. Don't get on throttle. Now go. No. Brakes. No, no, no. Don't change gear.
Sorry.
See what it's wrecking your lap.
Yeah.
Go on. Let's go. Both hands on the wheel. Brake. No, too quick. Get it in. Use those markers. Go to third gear. Turn it in. Straight across. Go out deep. Lift off. Get it turning. Now get on the gas. Let's go. Get it tight. Get it tight. Brake. Second gear. That's it. Go out wide. Wider. Turning back in. There we go. Third gear. Yep, fourth gear. Both hands. Turn north. Brakes. Back to third. Back to second. A bit more brakes. Turn it back at the apex. Out wide. Use all the track. Brakes. Leave it there. That's the black cone. Turn back at the apex. Out wide, foot down. Brakes. Get it turning. There you go, all the way to the orange cone. Brakes. Alright, that's our 3 done, man.
Oh.
Just getting into it, eh?
Just getting into it.
No, it always happens.
Bloody fun, though.
Just follow that car in.
Yeah. Jeez, that's a lot of fun. Get a bit sideways.
Yeah, compression locker.
Yeah.
Yeah, pull that next hole, mate. Alright, leave it running. Jump out.
Thank you very much.
That's alright. I'll let you switch your camera onto his helmet.
Yeah.